This tutorial is about knit front and back, which is an increase that takes one stitch and makes two. So we would go into the front of a stitch as we normally would, but now we need to go around to the back of that stitch, go through the loop here, and then knit again. Let me show you again what that looks like. Just knit a couple stitches here. So you just knit into the front of a stitch as you would normally, whether you're knitting continental or English. Doesn't matter whether you're a picker or a thrower, just need to get the yarn around like you would with any knit stitch. And then we need to go and we need to get through the back loop of that stitch. So what that looks like is just like that. And then grabbing the yarn as you would normally grab it. So from the front, because of course you're not always going to be twisting it to look at what it looks like. From the front, it just knit, and then you need to go around so that you're not hitting that needle tip, and then you go back and knit. So it would be knit front, knit back. When I go to knit back, I often grab this loop with my finger just to make sure that it's not slipping off. That's an unconscious thing I do. So knit front, knit back. And the knit front and back is an increase that does create a bit of a visual impression. So when we knit front and back, the knit front looks normal, but the knit back creates, when we're creating that stitch, it looks a little bit like a purl. So when you knit front and back, it is very easy to find where you did that. It creates a distinct impression. One of the great things about knitting is there are so many ways to take a simple increase or decrease and either make it a design feature or make it sort of more invisible. And the knit front and back does create these little purl-like stitches as we are increasing. I hope this helps. Happy knitting!